All right, what's going on, SMMA owners? Another one of these videos for you. So when the client says, I'm not ready for the growth yet, okay, this is another one I get a lot. Like, I had someone this morning, actually, they were like, oh, I don't know if my guys can handle the influx of leads. And this is my response always, and it always works. So first thing I always say is the reason why you haven't gotten the growth yet or have been scared about getting the growth because you are not even, one, achieving it, and number two, you aren't spending money to achieve it. So there's no accountability. Actually grow. With where you are in your business, pay your bills, right? Pay your bills, right? You get to do leisure things, right? No, you're complacent. Have no reason to grow, right? Have no reason to actually grow. Getting more leads, sales, you could obviously tailor it to the niche. Getting more leads, sales, and booked calls require you to hire more people, spend more, fulfill more, make more money. And there's a part of you that doesn't believe that you can or should. And that's where you go into, the biggest reason I hear that objection is the lack of beliefs. Lack of beliefs, money blocks, or mental blocks. It's like when you first started your business, it's like when most people start their business. No, I want to start, but doing the work is another story. It's easy to make $10K a month. Honestly, it is. Really. So now, you're hindered. Because of your belief system. How to do it like this morning with somebody, right? And I will show you guys messages for that response that I had. Okay. I believe what I say.
So, if we have a smaller package, I can put you in 1250, but here's the thing. Okay, man, I'm at a coffee shop right now, but I hope you can hear me. So the only way for him to get to 5 days a week is because
So this was because he was saying how he only has one guy working. So he's like, I need him to start doing 4 to 6 jobs a day instead of 3 to 5. And this was my response.
He has to be motivated. If he has no leads and has no extra jobs, why would he go all in? You know what I'm saying, man? It's like the accountability piece again. Even though people look at money and spending money only, it's not about that. It's about the accountability and having more shit on your plate, just more accountability in general. If I said to you hey, if I'm looking to hire you, I said, hey man, I only have 3 clients right now and you're going to get this amount of commission. But what if I said, hey, I'm going to have 5 people a day for you from day one? That's a sexier offer to get people. So you have to understand, man, it's all about the
It's all about the numbers. And I kind of break that down. I said, dude, if you get 2 extra jobs a day, and let's say it's $100 to $200 each on the low end, that's $6K a month you're leaving on the table. Might drop. It's like a funny thing, It's like you do the numbers for them and you realize that the growth is actually available to them, even if it's small numbers like that. He's saying, he was saying, 3 to 4 details a day max. With a helper, he can get 4 to 5. I do plan on getting another truck soon. And then he's like, I'm going to get that truck in the next 2 months. More objections like, oh, I should wait 2 months. But then I'm like, listen, by the time your ads are up and you get that helper, and then you're narrowing in your audiences and you start ramping up, your truck's going to be there, and that's where I got him in that place of mind. So that's the game changer, is being able to get them in a place where they understand the numbers, because numbers don't lie, people do. And the second thing is that, it's a belief system thing. So you really just got to put them in that place. And then you got to bring them to the belief system, the accountability part. Like, you're spending money, now you have to do shit. The reason why you're not growing and you think you're not ready for the growth because you never actually tasted money before, you never experienced growth, because there's no reason to. You're not spending money to achieve any results. And that's the biggest piece, is the accountability. I, hands down, do this the best because of like the way that I psychologically have seen so many objections and just been around so many humans and bigger entrepreneurs and like really good circles. Like, I just know that people are full of shit and you have to be able to find those, crevices. So I hope this really explained everything. I showed you a real life example too. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.